Wishing you all a very, very happy Children's Day. We at the school miss you a lot, and we are all looking forward to eagerly welcoming you back on the campus. On a positive and optimistic note, I know that will happen soon, and the vaccine for COVID 19 will be in the market for all of us. The nation looks up to you to be harbingers of peace, to be innovators, creators, to bring new order to this disturbed world. I'm sure with your positive energy and your positive outlook, you will bring about a new world order. Wishing you all a very, very happy Children's Day. God bless.
Hello, children. So, there are no seven wonders of the world in the eyes of a child. I believe there are 7 millions of them. On this Children's Day occasion, I would like to tell all our students to never stop dreaming. In fact, never stop chasing your dreams. It's so important to work hard, but at the same time, you must enjoy whatever you are doing. You should love whatever you are doing in life. Life you get only once, and our children are our future, and our future is very, very important to us. So, may all of you succeed in life, live life passionately and with lot of grace. So God bless you all, and wishing you a very happy Children's Day.
Today's a special day for all you children. I like to thank each one of you for the love you show within. I love the way you learn and love the way you sing. And on this very special day, to all of you I sing. Happy Children's Day, happy Children's Day, happy Children's Day, happy Children's Day to you. Thank you.
Wish you all a very happy Children's Day. We love you. God bless you. You're so, so special. Happy Children's Day. Take care. Bye bye.
Wishing a very happy Children's Day to all the students. God bless you all.
First of all, I would like to wish you today for the Children's Day. So happy Children's Day to all of you, and a happy Deepavali as well.
Children's, wishing you all a very happy Children's Day and a safe Deepavali. Happy Children's Day once again.
Dear students, wishing you all a very happy Children's Day and have a great day.
तुम चाँद हो, तुम तारे हो, हमारे जीवन का आधार हो। तुम्ही ने तो हमें जीना सिखाया, आगे बढ़ने में हमारा साथ निभाया। बाल दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई। कोविड-19 भी हम दोनों को एक दूसरे से जुदा नहीं कर सका, क्योंकि हम ऑनलाइन कक्षा के माध्यम से मिलते रहे और बातें करते रहे। बच्चों, आज दिवाली भी है। आप सबको दिवाली की बहुत बहुत बधाई। अपने माता पिता के साथ दिवाली का आनंद लीजिए।
Hello students, I wish you a very happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day from my side, and all the very best for your upcoming future and upcoming examination.
Happy Children's Day to my lovely students.
The most precious thing in this world is a smile on the face of a child. So, a very happy Children's Day to each and every kid. You are so special to us.
It's 14th of November, a very special day. Happy Children's Day to all the SRCN students. We love you all and miss you so much.
Happy Children's Day, 10th B students. Chase your dreams and work hard.
प्यारे बच्चों, आप सभी को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। बाल दिवस के अवसर पर मेरी तरफ से कुछ पंक्तियाँ आप सभी के लिए कि फूलों की तरह महकते रहो, फूलों की तरह महकते रहो, सितारों की तरह चमकते रहो। जीवन में एक बार ही आता है बचपन, जीवन में एक बार ही आता है बचपन। हंसते खेलते रहने के साथ खूब मेहनत भी करते रहो, मेहनत भी करते रहो। प्यारे बच्चों खूब पढ़ो, प्यारे बच्चों खूब पढ़ो, खेलो कूदो एक नाम करो। इस देश को श्रेष्ठ बनाना है, इस देश को श्रेष्ठ बनाना है। निर्मित होकर निर्माण करो, निर्मित होकर निर्माण करो। प्यारे बच्चों, आप सभी को पुनः मेरी तरफ से बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Hello children, this time Children's Day is falling right on the day of Diwali, and amongst this pandemic situation we are unable to put up a program for you. So just a very sweet message, a very happy Children's Day. Stay safe and keep yourself away from Corona. Corona is still not out. We all are bowlers and we have to take its wicket. So be safe, remain at home and have a happy Children's Day.
My dearest bundle of joy and inspiration, in your smiling faces, I see hope, I see a brighter tomorrow. My heartfelt love for all of you children. Happy Children's Day.
I would like to wish you a very happy Children's Day and a very happy and safe Deepavali. Thank you.
Good evening, children. Happy Children's Day. It's your day. Enjoy. Bye bye.
Happy Children's Day. God bless you all.
Children, thank you so much for always keeping me going. I love you all so much. Have an awesome Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day to my lovely children of class 12 science. God bless you. All the best for your future.
Happy Children's Day. Wish you happy Children's Day, children. And also I'm wishing you very happy Diwali to you all.
Hello guys, wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. God bless you.
Happy Children's Day. You are so special to us.
Hello, happy Children's Day students. We all wanted to celebrate this day together. But because of this pandemic, we all know that we are not able to meet. So, never mind. We all teacher loves you. And once again, happy Children's Day.
I was wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. May your future be as bright as the brightest star in the sky. Stay home, stay safe. I pray for your well-being. Bye.
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Children's Day to all my beloved students. On this special day, I ask the Almighty to bless us with His choices of blessing, and our school may excel in everything. And of course, our student may shine and bring laurel. Thank you once again. Happy Children's Day.